What is up? What it do? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, this is a vlog style video today because I am in my new apartment. It still looks very empty, and that's because it is. Right now in the living room, we literally just have boxes on boxes. We have a rug. Progress. We have our TV. It's gonna go on the wall, and then we have more boxes. I have my TV for my room, which if we go in my room, it's also not much going on yet. So I started my bed yesterday, but for some reason I can't figure out this middle piece. It's really irritating me because I was literally working on it for like 2 hours. But other than that, yeah, my room is pretty much very slow in progress. You guys can see over here in my closet, there's like just stuff everywhere because I brought a lot of my stuff from FIU, from school, but I don't have dressers or anything yet. Actually, speaking of dressers, let me sit on this carpet because it's soft. Speaking of dressers, yesterday I was supposed to get a package from IKEA, and they were supposed to call me 30 minutes before they got here, and they never called. So I was all the way at my dorm at FIU, so I tried to drive here as fast as I could when they called and told me that they were here, but they left. So I have to wait until tomorrow to get all of my stuff from IKEA. They're gonna bring it again, well, try to deliver it again tomorrow. Kind of pissed about that because that's where a lot of my clothes and like jewelry and everything's gonna go, so that's why everything's just sitting in my closet right now. But today I'm super excited because I'm going to be getting my mattress finally for my bed, which is why I need to fix the bed before the mattress gets here. This video is in partnership with the mattress company LOL. When it gets here, I will show you guys exactly how I unravel it, put it on my bed, how it expands and everything like that. I'll also give you guys my first impressions on the mattress, and then I'll probably follow up later on and tell you guys how I like it, like sleeping on it at night. Last night I actually had to sleep on the floor because the mattress was supposed to get here yesterday, but they couldn't find my apartment, so they had to reschedule it for today. That's pretty much been my biggest problem with moving. Like, the people can't find my apartment, and so when they try to deliver stuff, or like delivery for some reason has to be rescheduled, it's like everything keeps getting pushed back. It's been so stressful. I can't wait until everything is done. But yeah, I will get back to you guys when my mattress gets here. Hopefully by then my bed will be done, and then I will show you how I put the mattress together. Okay guys, so today's actually the next day. My mattress did not come. I'm actually really upset because I ended up having to go pick it up from FedEx because they couldn't find my apartment again. You guys, I'm literally sitting in my apartment. FedEx doesn't call, they don't do anything, and they just came and they were like, we can't find it, and they left. So I ended up picking it up yesterday. I have it over here. So this is my mattress. It's kind of beat up now, but I'm getting ready to take it into my room and unravel it. Okay, so I love that this mattress comes in a box because it makes it super easy to literally just pull outside of the box and place on the mattress frame. As you guys can see, it's kind of rolled up. It's air compressed, so as soon as you cut it open, it will start to open up. So I just kind of layered it onto my bed, and then I continued to cut all the plastic off, and then as you pull the plastic off, the bed will just start to open by itself. It's really cool. It makes it super easy, so you don't have to like pull in a huge mattress into your room. It literally does all the work for you. With LOL, there is also free shipping, and you also get 100 nights to try it out, and if you don't like it, you can return it for the full price. There's also free returns. If you want to try out LOL for yourself, there is a coupon linked in my description box where you can get your mattress for $150 off. I love the way that the mattress feels. It is nice and firm, but still very soft. It has a breathable premium gel on the top, so that way it transfers heat away from your body so you don't overheat at night. Of course, I had to do the jump test to see how firm it really was. So far, I'm really happy with the mattress, and I hope you guys give it a try. Hey guys, so it's actually now a few days after the day that I put my mattress up. I do have some progress in my room, as you guys can see, but I don't want to show too much because you have to wait for the full apartment tour. But I do want to show you guys my bed progress. Do not mind this really ugly thingy. This is just a temporary sheet comforter thing. My real ones are coming in the mail soon. But as you guys can see, I did purchase a bed thingy. What is this called? A bed lifter. A mattress lifter. You guys know what it is. The thing you put on top of your bed, but like under your mattress, right? I put it here so that way my bed would sit a little bit higher, and just so that it wasn't so flat. But so far, I freaking love the mattress. A lot of the things in my room are starting to come together. I didn't really film much of me like building stuff and like decorating a lot of stuff, just because I was always kind of doing it at night when I got off from work or after school. So it's been really hard for me to like vlog my whole decorating process. But the next video that you guys see with room progress will probably be the full apartment tour, because even our living room is pretty much done at this point. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs me up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to check out LOL in the description box below. Excuse my tomboyish look right now. I am down bad. It's been really hard like balancing school and moving and work and YouTube and Instagram. It's just a lot, bro. It's a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hopefully I will see you guys all in my next video. Deuces.